For the past decade, the organization called I Want Life has been a beacon of hope for foster families and their children.
Krenuli smo sa željom, sa vizijom da kao udruga napravimo nešto drukčije, nešto korisno za naš grad, za našu regiju, vodeći udomiteljske obitelji, mlade koji su dolazili na kamp.
Over the years, they have forged meaningful and life-changing experiences.
Kroz svih ovih godina vidjeli smo kako Bog djeluje. Vidjeli smo krštenja na kampu, obraćenja, promijenjene živote.
An issue identified by this organization is the challenging transition young people face when leaving their foster families at the age of 18, often plunging them into a harsh reality.
I tako smo počeli istraživati taj problem, kao tim smo počeli moliti za to i Bog je otvorio vrata da se rodi projekt Kuće mogućnosti.
Out of this work, the most significant project was forged. The annual summer camp held at the coast of Croatia. This year, the camp faced an unprecedented surge in applications as it also welcomed Ukrainian refugees. Recognizing the urgency of the situation and drawing on positive past experiences, the camp manager made a compassionate exception.
I sve to se ne bi dogodilo da između ostalog nismo imali i pomoć Orphans Promise koji su i ove godine pomogli da jedan broj ljudi ovdje na kampu bude, da sluša radosnu vijest, da budu i na dječjem programu. Sve je to veliki blagoslov i jedno veliko hvala.
The camp project is a place where participants are provided with fresh perspectives on life and God, fostering friendships, joy, and hope. These initiatives aim to create a better tomorrow, where every individual has the chance to dream and grow, enveloped in the love of God, offering the ultimate security in life.